Ready.
Okay, now we're going to be putting the the flexible brake line onto the lower control arm and connecting it with the caliper. And it has this square fitting on the front, and the square fitting on the front fits into the hole that is on the inside part of the caliper, and it comes with a little plastic nuggin that goes inside, and you'll want to pull that out of the caliper, and then you'll take this piece and you'll see that it's got a loop over it that goes over the place near the bleed bracket. And what you'll want to do is you'll see the ridges on the inside and the ridges that are on the casting. You'll make sure those are cleaned off, and then basically what you'll do is you'll take the banjo bolt, you'll slide one of these crush washers over the banjo bolt. It's called a banjo bolt, it's got a hole all the way through it. You slide it down on the outside, which is the side where the curve is, put a second crush washer inside on the banjo bolt, and then slide it down over the caliper and begin to tighten it up. And you'll note that the square part of this brake line goes next to the square part on the casting of the caliper. And you'll tighten this down and you'll put 26 foot-pounds of torque on it. And then what you'll do is you'll take the other end of it and you get it with the part facing up like this. It'll come up like this. You'll see, you'll just take it and you turn this piece outward like this, so that this little part with the ridge going through the brake line is sticking up in the air like this. And then this part goes through the piece of the brake line, and this piece of the brake line you'll see has the brake line tab has a little square part at the bottom, and this little square part at the bottom of this matches with the little square part at the bottom of the tab as you push it through. So you push it through this part of the tab. Then you take this tab and with the little ridge, the 90-degree ridge on it pointing inboard to the car, you slide the two feed arms from the rear of the car toward the front of the car over the ridge. And as it goes into the groove and gets in place, then you'll just want to take a little device like a hammer, soft blow, hard blow, and you'll just want to knock it into place all the way down. And that's it.